Ingenious. What a clever, clever concept. Hey guys, today we're going to be doing an unboxing and review of the SunJoe 2800 PSI electric power washer, 14.5 amps. We're going to do an unboxing of that. I'm looking forward to it. Oh, that's interesting. 2 reservoirs, handle. Oh, this is where the tips go. Let's see if I can get this thing out without hurting myself. This is interesting. Ingenious. What a clever, clever concept. All right, let's go over the components. So this gets threaded into like so. Oh, that makes it much easier. See that? That's awesome. No tools required. Gotta love it. Then the heads get plugged into this. And this is a pretty beefy GFCI protected plug. So if this ever should get wet, it'll automatically trip. Here's the bag of screws that we're going to need to screw this thing together. This hose goes here for the soap and detergent that you're going to use. These reservoirs, there's a lip up top here and a lip on the bottom here. This goes underneath this plastic piece and locks into place. Goes underneath this and then right into place, and these bottles get locked right in, no problem whatsoever. Oh, you got to force it in. Okay, just push that thing right in there. There we go. That's done. And this goes in like so. Whoop. All right, so this is where we're going to hang the hose from when we're not in use. So now that's in. So we have 4 screws left, and we still have to secure the handle. We have 1, 2, 3, 4. And then we can finally get this bad boy tested. It does not matter which end gets screwed to the wand or to the device. So you're not making a mistake on which end you stick on. Pop this baby on. One of the only drawbacks that I've noticed with this is that the connection is actually on the back. I find that being a pain in the neck because the holder is in the front. Simply just take the hose, stick it in like so, and start screwing it down. And there we go, we have a nice secure fit. Okay, so now we're gonna connect the hose. I'm hoping that my video is helping you out substantially. All right, let's give it some water. I can write my name with this. How cool is that? Now you can spin it, so if it's in the wrong direction, you could change it. Oh, that's interesting. Let's finish this up, and I'm gonna call this, I'm gonna give this a 4-star rating. I normally would give it a 5-star, but it was pulsating before, it got me scared. I wasn't sure if it was going to break or nothing, so and it seems like it's recovered itself. So that said, we're going to give this a 4-star rating, and I think that's well deserved, considering. There you have it, folks. As you can see, it's extremely time consuming. So guys, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up, and if you're not a subscriber, please subscribe. Hopefully this video of SunJoe worked out for you, and we'll be giving you some more reviews in the future. This is something that I needed, and it worked out very well, as you saw, and now I can continue, but it's obviously a very time consuming task. So guys, we'll see you next time. Have a good one. JoeteckTips out.